guys, what's going on today is I'm bringing this 240 to Nick's. Now, a lot of shit's happened in the last few weeks that I didn't want to talk about or didn't put on the channel, and I don't know if I ever will because it's, I don't want to talk about it. So, in light of everything that's been going on, and if you guys noticed, I haven't been putting any of my stuff on the channel, no content about my cars and stuff like that. The RX-7 was for sale. Some shit happened with that. This was supposed to be my drift car for this season. Some shit happened with that. Now I'm like kind of waiting on parts and gotta save up some money and all that kind of fun shit. You know how it is, right? Car stuff, that's how it is. Lucky for me, my buddy Nick came through. Nick's Drift Shop, been doing videos with him and stuff like that, helping him out. I had some parts that he needed. Since we're doing this Hemmingford show, the poker run, the wild card poker run and car show in Hemmingford, Nick's gonna be there as a vendor, so I'm helping him out. I got him that spot in there, and we gotta make this car look good because he's bringing his drift cars too. So the plan is tomorrow, this is going to Nick's. We're gonna make it look a little more complete because I don't have all the parts that I was supposed to get for this car that I should have had for this car. We just gotta do what we can to make it look cool, to bring it to the show, because if you guys didn't know, we're gonna have a booth set up and all that stuff, but you're watching this after, so it doesn't really matter. And I've still got to pull some parts out of the Camaro. I got the race seat out, the old school race seat. Used to be Craig's seat. That was originally for the Camaro way back in the day. It was actually in as Eclipse way back in the day. Sorry, I got Nightmare Before Christmas is on TV. Boo boo! What you doing? From the IROC. Since we're parting this out, you know anybody wants some parts? Hit me up. Steering wheel I'm probably going to keep for my Acadian, unless JM wants it. JM, you want it? Anyways, I'm pulling these gauges out for the drift car and the other race spec seat, which is right there, buried in a bunch of other crap in the stock seats in the car, and I have to remember to take the tools out so I don't lose them. And yeah, so anybody wants an IROC, hit me up. I got a bunch of parts here. So guys, we're ready to go. Ready to drop that sucker off at the garage where we're gonna be having a little work done. So, look forward to that. Lighting's kind of weird in here, apologize. But there's a lot of stuff that's been going on. There's a lot of headaches, realistically, I lost most of my summer this year because I was indecisive. I was trying to sell the RX-7, make a little money, finish off the drift car. Went through a lot of crap with that. Turns out there's a lot of people here that think that car is only worth like 7 or 8 grand. When, I mean, I've got almost 20 in it. I know I can't justify that because it's repairs and stuff the car needed, but I can't just let it go for that cheap. I still owe a little bit of money on it, but I still do love the car. And I let people influence me in the way that last year when I was drifting the car, especially after I tagged that wall, a lot of people were telling me that, you know, I shouldn't be drifting with an RX-7. You shouldn't do that. The car's too nice. It's worth too much money. It's too expensive. You know what? I did that all summer. I dealt with that. I fought it like that. And at the end of the day, it's my car. I'm gonna do what the fuck I want with it. The thing that I hadn't been doing was enjoying it and making the car more my style. So the RX-7 is gonna remain my street car, my show car. Go to meets, have fun with it and stuff like that. But I've never been a shiny show car kind of guy. So even though it's gonna get smacked up a little bit on the track here and there, because I am still gonna drift it, and I'm especially gonna keep drifting it until the 240's ready. So that's just the way it is. Anyways, it's the end of the day. A lot of stuff happened today. A lot of stuff's been going crazy lately, but I'm finally getting back in the groove. If you guys have been paying attention, you notice that I haven't been covering my cars very much. I haven't been doing anything for my stuff. I've just been covering my friends' stuff, going to my buddies' garages, going to shows and track days and covering that. Well, that's why. There's been a lot of crap going on, but it's working itself out. So Tomorrow's another day. We'll work on the 240. Nice fresh start. Things are gonna be good. Things are gonna happen. Thanks for watching Project 253 in the house. Peace out. Stay happy. Do what the f you want.